It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! It's happening! It's happening!
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio all-hazard station KHB29 public warning system. This test is conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Berkeley, Charleston, and Dorchester. It will also be activated for tornado, severe thunderstorm, and flash flood warnings only for the counties of Clarendon, Georgetown, Orangeburg, and Williamsburg. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio all-hazard station KHB29 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina.
So that's it, guys.
Issued by the National Hurricane Center
That's it.
for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. A broad area of low pressure
Thanks for
associated with
watching,
the
guys.
tropical
Bye.
wave.